Every programmer has said this sentence at least once. It works on my machine. Runs great on your computer, explodes on somebody else's. Like a chef whose food only tastes good in his own kitchen. So, in 2013, one company said enough and built Docker. Docker packs your program and everything it needs into one sealed box called a container. The code, the settings, the libraries nobody remembers installing, all of it. And that box runs the same everywhere. Your laptop, your friend's laptop, a server in Tokyo. It's the shipping container trick. Same steel box fits every ship, every crane, every truck. Want to try a program without installing anything? One command, it's running, delete it, and it's gone. Your app needs 3 helpers running next to it. One file, one command, everything is up. So how does this thing work? 3 parts. Part 1, the image. The recipe. A frozen snapshot of your program and everything it needs. It's built in layers, like a cake. Change one thing, Docker redoes one layer, not the whole cake. Part 2. The container. A running copy of the image. Start 10 if you want to do so. Everyone starts fresh from the recipe. Mess it up, delete it, 0 regrets. Part 3. The engine. It runs the containers, each one sealed in its own little bubble. One container crashes, the other don't even notice, which is rude, honestly. And no, it's not a virtual machine if someone told you so. A VM, virtual machine, fakes an entire computer. Here's the part nobody tells you. A container is not a tiny computer. It's a regular program running on your machine, wearing a blindfold. It can see your files, your apps, or the other containers. That's why a VM boots in minutes and a container in 1 second. There's also Docker Hub, a free library of boxes people already packed. Need WordPress, a Minecraft server, just pull it and run it. And thanks to Airs, the second download takes seconds. Most of the cake is already there. By the way, every big website you use today runs on these. You just never see it. So really, Docker is just a promise. If it works in the box, it works everywhere. Thanks for watching.